Hi guys, my name is Bruno from Thinkware Customer Support, and I'll be showing you how to connect your dashcam via Wi-Fi with the iPhone. So first of all, we'll open the Thinkware Cloud app. We'll go here, it'll say either not connected or it'll say dashcam connection is required. We'll click here and connect via Wi-Fi. So first we'll activate the Wi-Fi by pressing the Wi-Fi button on the dashcam.
On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware.
And you can see the Wi-Fi light is now flashing green, which indicates the dashcam is giving out the Wi-Fi signal, so we can press next. So the next step is connecting to the Thinkware network, so we'll go on your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Thinkware network. The default password will be 1234567889. Once you have the blue check mark beside Thinkware indicating that you're connected, we can go back on the app.
Connected to a smartphone.
And you can see you're now connected via Wi-Fi, and you can see the green light is now solid, which gives you access to the app, including the file list, the dashcam settings, and the live view as well, which will help you when mounting the dashcam with aligning the green light and the blue light with the center of the hood. So you can see as you move the dashcam, you can check the image in the app. And that's how you connect via Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching.